Doesn't this give you like slumber party vibes? Okay, I didn't have a pink coat and I really wanted a pink coat to like be cohesive with this look, honey. But you know, we have on a robe instead. It's from Benefit. It's so cute. This is such slumber party vibes. Hey family, here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. We have another 2-in-1 hair and makeup tutorial. This wig is by Wigs and this is their Kinky Curly, and this is the most realistic so far that I've touched. The most realistic kinky curly wig that I've had in my possession. It's like type 4 hair, like I don't know, 4A, 4B, 4C, I don't know. But this is really type 4 hair. So, I'm just showing you guys how I defined these kinky curls on this wig. And then we just do a very simple pink beat. I love pink beats, and I was just like, sometimes I feel very pressured to always deliver a super creative look, okay? And sometimes that pressure sucks the fun out of makeup, you know? So, you know, I just went with this pink look, gold lids, very, very simple. Pink lip, I just feel so cutesy. I feel like I'm going to a slumber party. The hair, the robe, the pink look. Dang, I low-key wish I had friends to do a slumber party with. So without further ado, if you are interested in tuning into another 2-in-1 hair and makeup tutorial where I show you how I define these kinky curls and do this very simple pink beat, then subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. And when you tap that bell, ensure you enable all notifications. If it's on occasional, switch it to all so you know when I post each and every day of Vlogmas, honey. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video by the time you reach the end of this video. And stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, welcome back. This video is in partnership with Wigs, and they sent over this 18-inch kinky curly lace front wig. They gave you a bunch of goodies in their wig box. You get a wig cap, a little pamphlet, some clips, as well as an elastic band, which I could have used. It totally slipped my mind to use. I didn't even have to glue down my wig if I would have used this. Anyways, you also get a little backpack thing, which the wig comes in. So this is the packaging of the wig. Of course, it has a net around it. You have a little YG tag, a little paper filling in the head area to keep the shape of the wig. And here is the kinky curly texture. It was like type 4 hair, you guys. I was so impressed. There's the lace front. You have 3 clips, 1 in the middle, 2 on either side. Here is the actual dome part. And then you have an adjustable strap in the back as well as another clip. So this is the texture of the hair after I bleached the knots and then just conditioned the hair for a little while. Like, this kinky curly hair was so realistic. I was so impressed. I could not wait to define it. I did over bleach the knots a tad. Listen, girl, it's okay. We gonna make do what it do. So I'm gonna use a hot comb, this Shea Moisture leave-in treatment, this Cantu hydrating leave-in conditioning mist, this Carol's Daughter's cocoa cream, as well as this Camille Rose Naturals coconut water style setter. So I'm just gonna part the hair down the middle. I was filling the middle part for this. Maybe I should have done the side part. I feel like side parts actually do look better on me, but we just went with the middle part. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take that hot comb just to define the part, and so the hair stays parted. Alright, after we do that, I'm going to section off the hair and define the hair in sections because this hair was really thick and I just wanted to make sure every strand was coated. So first I'm going to take this Fine Mist spray bottle and just drench the hair, brush it through with this Denman brush, and then we will start to add the products. The first product I'm going to add is that Cantu Shea Butter Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in that Shea Moisture Leave-In Treatment. I think I put a little bit too much product. I am a little heavy-handed. I am known to be heavy-handed. I put a little bit too much product, but I just really wanted these curls to be defined. And I keep on adding water so the hair stays moist throughout this entire process. Next, I add the Carol's Daughter cocoa cream, which smells so good, by the way, you guys. Honestly, the best smelling cocoa cream. The best smelling cocoa cream, as if there's two. No, this smells so good and it's so thick. It really hydrates and coats the curls. And lastly, I just top it off with that Camille Rose coconut water style setter to lock the moisture of the curls in place. These are actually the exact same products I used in a previous hair tutorial, but I wanted to try it on a kinkier and coilier curl pattern just to see if it would, you know, do the same trick, and it did. And basically I'm just going to do this throughout the whole entire head, so it's pretty redundant. So I'm only going to show you one more section. All I'm doing is making sure I'm really drenching it in water so the products can distribute evenly, and I'm brushing it through with a Denman brush, adding that Cantu leave-in, that Shea Moisture leave-in, that Carol's Daughter's cocoa cream, and then just sealing the deal with that style setter by Camille Rose Naturals. Alright, and this is the first half of the wig coated in product, curls defined, and this is the full wig drenched and coated in product. I went a little bit too heavy-handed, so it did take a while to dry, but I just went about putting it on my head anyways and then let it dry as I did my makeup. So I just want you to see the curls up close and personal, coated in product and defined. This is what the ends look like, and this is what it looks like on my head. I looked like little girlish. I was like, I guess. So you know what I did? Did a slumber party beat, honey. Moving on to makeup. I'm going to apply some powder under my eye just so it can catch the fallout because my beat is on. I'm going to take this Lancome Le Monochromatique. Okay, the shade name will be down below. I'm going to apply it to my brow bone with this Morphe M167 brush. I can't say the shade, girl, because it is in French and I'm just not that good. Next, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Ultimate Mattes palette, their new palette that they came out with. I'm going to take that magenta shade right there with this Morphe E17 brush, and I'm really going to pack that into my crease. So I'm just slowly packing on the color so I can get the best color payoff, so I can get the most opaque color, and then I'll go back in and blend out the edges. And I'm just going in with a more defined brush so I can really get those gaps in my crease. Alright, now I'm taking a lighter pink shade, which is right next to it. These shades don't have names, so my bad. I'm taking it and blending it right on the edge of that magenta shade. Honestly, it's easier for me to actually do a transition shade second and not first, because when I do a transition shade first, sometimes I blow it out too far and then I mess up the look that I was trying to do. So when I do it second and just blur out the edges, I really like the outcome a little bit better. And now I'm just taking that same pencil brush. It's by BH Cosmetics. It comes in a set. I will link the set down below. And I'm just going to drag that same magenta shade onto my lower lash line. Next, we're going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette. I'm taking that shade Cancer, my favorite shade in the palette. Listen, this lighting and camera is not even picking up the justice of this shade. It's so beautiful. It's like the most beautiful gold I've ever laid my eyes on. I'm just packing that onto my lid and then diffusing the edges into the crease. I don't want any harsh lines. It kind of looks like it's a little harsh, but I tried my best to like soften the edges of this gold shade. And I'm just packing that on with that same Morphe M167 brush and trying to diffuse the edges. And I only went into that shade once, like, look how opaque that shimmer is. All right, next I'm going to go into Scorpio and Aries with the Sigma E30 brush, and we're just going to pop that into our inner corner. I'm just going to dust off that bake. I'm going to pop on these Celeste Los Angeles Luscious Lashes, and now we're going to take some more Lancome Le Monochromatique. Okay, the shade names will be down below again. These were so beautiful as blushes. This formula is so interesting because it's like pillow soft. The formula is so nice. Like, I really like the formula. They're like an all-purpose makeup, if you will. Lancome claims you can use it on like your eyes chips, oh my gosh, eyes, lips, and cheeks. And I'm taking that same shade that I use on my brow bone to use as my highlight because it was so beautiful. I just had to put it on my face, girl. And lastly for lips, I'm going to apply this Kevyn Aucoin Molten Lip Color in the shade Dolly, and I'm going to top it off with this Buxom Cosmetics. I believe the shade is called Claire. It's their Claire full-on lip polish. And this about completes my 2-in-1 hair and makeup tutorial for a slumber party girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And if you are new here, I would love to see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.